Paradise found. Welcome to French Polynesia. Imagine a place where turquoise waters shimmer under a brilliant sun, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and color. This is a land where every view is a postcard-perfect scene. Palm trees sway gently in the warm breeze, their leaves rustling softly like nature's own lullaby. The air is filled with the scent of tropical flowers, adding to the serene atmosphere. Volcanic peaks rise dramatically from the ocean depths, their rugged silhouettes standing in stark contrast to the gentle waves below. These majestic formations tell the story of the island's fiery origins. This is French Polynesia, a paradise on Earth, a place where the land meets the sea in perfect harmony, creating a landscape that is both breathtaking and tranquil. This collection of islands in the South Pacific is a dream destination for many. Each island has its own unique charm and beauty waiting to be discovered. French Polynesia offers something for everyone, from snorkeling in vibrant coral reefs to hiking through lush green trails. The possibilities for adventure are endless. Whether you long for relaxation or adventure, you will find it here. Lounge on pristine beaches or kayak through crystal clear waters, the choice is yours. Get ready to discover the breathtaking scenery that awaits. Every corner of these islands offers a new and stunning view, each more beautiful than the last. Let's embark on a journey to remember. Explore hidden coves, meet the friendly locals, and immerse yourself in the rich culture and history of French Polynesia. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty of these islands. The landscapes are stunning, with every island offering its own unique and picturesque views. The vibrant colors, the lush landscapes, and the crystal clear waters will captivate your senses. The natural beauty here is unparalleled, making it a true feast for the eyes. Join us as we delve into the heart of this tropical wonderland. Discover the hidden gems and experience the magic that makes French Polynesia a paradise like no other. Bora Bora is often called the jewel of the South Pacific. It's easy to see why. The island's beauty is legendary. Picture a lagoon in shades of blue and green. Coral reefs teem with colorful marine life. Overwater bungalows perch above the water. Mount Otamanu stands tall in the center of the lagoon. This extinct volcano adds to the island's dramatic scenery. Take a dip in the warm, inviting waters. Snorkel among the coral gardens. Relax on the white sand beaches. Bora Bora offers a taste of paradise. It's an unforgettable experience. Tahiti is the largest island in French Polynesia. It's a place of contrasts. Volcanic mountains rise from the lush interior. Black sand beaches fringe the coastline. Waterfalls cascade down verdant cliffs. Visit Papeete, the vibrant capital city. Explore the bustling markets, discover local crafts and fresh produce, then escape to the tranquility of the island's interior. Hike through rainforest trails, swim in cool, clear pools beneath waterfalls. Tahiti offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Moorea is a short ferry ride from Tahiti. It's a haven of tranquility. The island is known for its dramatic peaks and lush valleys. Coral reefs surround the island, creating a vibrant underwater world. Hike to the top of Belvedere Lookout. Enjoy panoramic views of the island's two bays. Explore Opunohu Bay by kayak or paddleboard. Discover hidden coves and secluded beaches. Dive into the waters of Moorea. Swim with stingrays and blacktip reef sharks. Encounter a kaleidoscope of colorful fish. Moorea is an adventurer's paradise and a nature lover's dream. Section 5. Exploring the hidden gems beyond the iconic trio. While Bora Bora, Tahiti, and Moorea are undeniably captivating, they are just the beginning of what French Polynesia has to offer. French Polynesia holds a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Beyond the well-known destinations, there are countless islands and atolls that remain untouched and pristine. Each island, even the smallest atoll, possesses a unique charm and beauty. From turquoise waters to unique landscapes, these islands offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Venture to the Tuamotu Archipelago, a string of atolls renowned for their exceptional diving and snorkeling opportunities. The underwater world here is vibrant and teeming with marine life. Rangiroa, with its famous blue lagoon, offers encounters with sharks, dolphins, and manta rays. The crystal clear waters provide an unparalleled experience for divers and snorkelers alike. For a truly secluded escape, consider the Marquesas Islands. These remote islands are perfect for those seeking solitude and tranquility. These volcanic islands, with their towering cliffs and verdant valleys, offer a glimpse into the authentic Polynesian way of life. The landscapes here are dramatic and awe-inspiring. Hike through ancient archaeological sites, witness traditional dance performances, and explore the rich history that these islands hold. The Marquesas are a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of this remote archipelago. Participate in local festivals, enjoy traditional Polynesian music and dance, and experience the warm hospitality of the islanders. The Marquesas Islands offer a unique and enriching cultural experience that is unlike any other. Section 6, the Underwater Wonderland, diving into a world of color. The waters surrounding French Polynesia are teeming with life, making it a divers' and snorkelers' paradise. From shallow lagoons to deep ocean trenches, a world of underwater wonders awaits. Explore vibrant coral gardens home to an astonishing array of fish species. Encounter graceful manta rays gliding through the water, their wingspans reaching several meters. Swim alongside black-tip reef sharks, known for their curious nature. For the adventurous, diving with humpback whales is an experience of a lifetime. These gentle giants visit the waters of French Polynesia during their breeding season, offering a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Section 7, Polynesian Culture, a feast for the senses. Beyond its natural beauty, French Polynesia is rich in culture and tradition. Polynesian culture is warm, welcoming, and full of life. Music, dance, and storytelling are integral parts of everyday life. Experience the vibrant energy of a traditional Polynesian dance performance. Be captivated by the rhythmic movements, intricate costumes, and enchanting music. Attend a local festival and immerse yourself in the celebratory atmosphere. Sample the local cuisine, a delightful fusion of Polynesian and French flavors. Indulge in freshly caught seafood, tropical fruits, and dishes cooked in underground ovens. From traditional crafts to captivating legends, Polynesian culture will leave a lasting impression. Adventure awaits. From hiking to surfing, fun in the sun, French Polynesia is not just about relaxation, it's an adventurer's paradise. Whether you seek thrills on the waves or tranquility in nature, there's something for everyone. For thrill seekers, surfing is a must-try. Tahiti is renowned for its world-class waves, attracting surfers from around the globe. Learn to ride the waves or simply watch in awe as experienced surfers carve through the powerful swells. If hiking is your passion, French Polynesia offers a diverse range of trails. Trek through lush rainforests, climb volcanic peaks, and discover hidden waterfalls. The views from the summit are simply breathtaking. Planning your dream trip. Tips for an unforgettable journey. Planning a trip to French Polynesia might seem daunting, but with a little preparation, your dream vacation can become a reality. This stunning destination, known for its crystal-clear waters, lush landscapes, and vibrant culture, offers something for every traveler. Consider these tips to make the most of your journey. Start by researching the islands and their unique offerings. Each island has its own charm and attractions, so knowing what you want to experience can help you plan better. The best time to visit French Polynesia is during the dry season from May to October when the weather is sunny and warm. This period is perfect for beach activities, snorkeling, and exploring the islands without the interruption of rain. However, even during the wet season, showers are typically short-lived, and the humidity brings a lush vibrancy to the islands. The rain can actually enhance the natural beauty, making the foliage more vibrant and the waterfalls more spectacular. Choose your island hopping adventure wisely. With over 100 islands to choose from, it's important to prioritize based on your interests. Whether you prefer adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, there's an island for you. Each island offers a unique experience, from the luxurious overwater bungalows of Bora Bora to the cultural immersion of the Marquesas Islands. Don't miss out on the local traditions and customs, which can provide a deeper understanding of the rich Polynesian culture. Decide what activities and experiences are most important to you, and select your islands accordingly. Whether it's kayaking in a serene lagoon, enjoying a romantic beachside dinner, or diving into vibrant coral reefs, French Polynesia has it all. Plan ahead to ensure you make the most of your unforgettable journey. So, where will you go next? From the iconic overwater bungalows of Bora Bora to the black sand beaches of Tahiti and the lush peaks of Moorea, French Polynesia offers a visual feast for the senses. Each island holds its own unique charm, waiting to be discovered. The turquoise waters beckon with promises of underwater adventures, while the lush landscapes invite exploration and discovery. Polynesian culture adds a rich tapestry of traditions, music, and dance, creating an unforgettable experience. So, which island will you choose for your next adventure? Will you relax on the pristine beaches of Bora Bora, hike the volcanic slopes of Tahiti, or dive into the vibrant coral reefs of Moorea? The choice is yours. Join the adventure. Subscribe and explore with us. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the breathtaking scenery of French Polynesia. But our journey doesn't end here. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of our planet. Subscribe to our channel and embark on new adventures with us. We'll take you to the most stunning destinations, from the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the vibrant coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which destination you'd like us to cover next. Let's inspire each other to appreciate and protect the beauty of our planet.